Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. And here behind me, I have two brand new Honda CRVs. We have the EX model over there. Then we're going to talk about what you're gaining when you go up to the EXL. Then at the end of this video, I want to know from you guys, is it worth it or not? Let us know down below in the comments. Let's get going. All right, so we're going to start here on the outside of the vehicles. Over on the right-hand side is going to be the EXL. Over here on the left-hand side is going to be the EX model. You guys can probably hear them because it's hot outside. The AC is blasting on the inside. So when we get in there, it's going to be nice and cooled off. But let's talk about the exterior difference here quick. As we get here to the EXL, you'll see those 18-inch alloy rims are going to be a nice dark gray finish. While over here on the EX model, 18-inch alloy rims are going to be a nice silver finish. Now the EXL is going to gain parking sensors, front and rear parking sensors, I should add, with low speed braking control. Now both driver's seats are going to be powered seats, but the EXL is going to have the front passenger seat. It's going to be a nice four-way power seating. Now the whole exterior after that is the same size, same dimension, same cosmetics, except for the alloyed rims, as we just point out. Now over here on the EXL, it's going to have a power liftgate. It's going to be height adjustable. So as you select the button, there we go. Move it where you want. Click and hold. Double beep. Now it's going to open and close that setting every single time. Over there, it's going to be a nice hydraulic liftgate. Now, when we get on the inside of the vehicle, the EXL is going to have a leather interior, while the EX is going to have a nice cloth interior. On the EX model, we can have a 7-inch display screen. Then when we get into the EXL, we have a 10.2-inch display digital screen with a driver's interface screen. Now the touch screen is going to be the same size. We're going to get a few more speakers. An HD radio is going to be involved too as well. Auto dimming rearview mirror and 2-seat memory. So that's going to be great. You can walk in and set it up for yourself, set it up for the missus, whoever from that point. So you have two drivers, everyone's going to be accommodated pretty nice and easy. I consider that to be a huge win. All right, so there we go. We talked about the quick load differences. I want to know from you guys, is it worth the upgrade or not? Let us know down below in the comments, okay? We'll talk to you guys at your next visit. Bye-bye.